Oh, this is Steprazit market, night market. Georgi, not faster. I want to take video. So many clothes. 100 baht.
ร้านป้านะร้านแรกคนเดียวนะร้านแรกในตลาดนะ20 ปีที่แล้วจอดทีเนี่ย200 300นั่นจุดตอนนี้ตังค์
So heavy. What is this?
อันละเท่าไหร่คะ
ถ้าเป็นมาโบ300ครับแล้วก็ VMD
Shira like this one. Maybe.
Prohibited smoke.
Prohibited smoke?
Yes.
But
Not allowed.
not allowed, but they can sail. It's okay. Allowed to sail, but not allowed to use.
Yes.
You can buy and go to the Philippines. Sunglasses. Oh, God. Oh, it's already 250. Glow in the night. Good. Thailand, Phuket, 250. Kiss. Phuket, Thailand. I will buy for Shira. Oh, okay, this one. Okay, thank you. Mini Russian елки. Yeah. Beautiful Russian wheels already here. Oh, very small dog. Oh, it's original, really. I think it's the doll, but it's original. Nice. Really very small dog. Georgi run again. Interesting name. You see Kaka. Kaka, if translate in Russian language, Kaka is poo. Poo. See. In Russia can walk in this t-shirt.
Можно посмотреть, по длине?
По длине, окей. здоровья. Should try to maybe your friend or some same size.
แล้วเราก็เอ๊ะมันยังไงกันเราขายน้ำมันมา
Colonels
30 ปีเราไม่เคยมีน้ำมัน
How much massage? Foot massage. 200 baht. How 100 baht?
ถ่ายด้วย
Okay, very good. Okay. Oh, it's big market. Georgi again running, I don't know where. Chinese girls. They speak Chinese language. Tiprazit night market Pattaya until 10:30. Night market Pattaya. Food court. Same. I bought for Shaira. Hold. It's for Shaira. Can you open? Oh, have here also. Another. What do you think is good for her? No, you check. Another side turn. Glow in the dark. So at night can have light. You don't know. You don't want to buy? It's 150, but it's small size. I think for Shaira it's okay. Interesting. For Shaira big, it's very small.
Not very, it's small.
Small, but
Not yes.
don't have excess. He said the same excess. It's okay. Good. Georgi, you can buy. You already have the same. Why you not use? You bought before, I remember, in Pattaya before. You don't want to use? Oh, Chinese girls, that's Chinese. Many people from China. This is big market. And parking have in the upper. Teprozit.